Well, it's snowing out pretty good. It's May 11th. We're even getting a little accumulation in the yard, and yeah, this pretty well sucks. We had about a week of nice weather, and then now we're right back to rain and snow. But it's supposed to get nice again later this week. So this is just a temporary thing, hopefully. See, all my fruit trees are flowered out, or leafed out. Some more flowering, actually. See how well they do. So it's pretty nasty outside today, but at least inside I can show you an update of my vegetables. We have them on this, I'll show you here, we have them on this rack right here in front of the west facing window, and I had to put a light on them. But these I did a couple weeks ago. These tomatoes are all turning out pretty good. This is the first tray that I planted, and the peppers are looking really good, as are the tomatoes. Now they're a little limey right now, but that'll change once they get outside. On this side, this tray, the peppers are going a little bit slower, but they're coming. We'll have them outside pretty soon. Hopefully, anyway. Right, Ellen?